Hello, welcome back to my channel. I'm about to do some unboxing, some items that was sent to me, like a Dossier perfume and also Makiage from New York. So they sent me two packages that I'm gonna show to you guys right now. So let's get started. This is the first package. I'm about to open it and see what is in it, and we're gonna all find out at the same time. Oh. Okay. Oh wow, that's beautiful. This is how it came. This is how the box look like. Yeah, it's from Makiage, New York. So this is how it comes. Okay, that's a beautiful black box. Nice, smooth. So let's open it up. Okay, and when you open it up, this is what it look like in the inside. Okay. This is like the receipts. Okay, this is the first product that they sent me. Now, this is supposed to be the foundation. This is supposed to be a concealer. And this one here. So this was what was in this package. So now, let's open it up. Oh, okay. Okay. So this is the foundation. This is the foundation. The packaging is so beautiful. It's really pretty. It's a glass, it's really pretty, the packaging. I like the foundation glass. So yeah, it comes sealed. It's sealed all up so that you'll know that this is directly from them, and it's my shade. It's my perfect match. That's what they sent me. Okay, so this is the concealer. This is how it came. This is the box for the concealer. Once again, beautiful box, nice, silky. So now let's get the concealer out. Oh, okay, this is actually the primer. This is the primer. That's beautiful. This is the primer. That's the poreless primer. Yeah, so they sent me this one too. I can wait to use it. That's a poreless primer. It's supposed to reduce the appearance of pores and get your makeup flawless. So that's how it looks. Okay, so now let's get into, yeah, this one here is the concealer. This is the concealer. So this is what the concealer look like. Oh wow, that's beautiful. Look up. That's beautiful. That's the concealer for your under eye darkness, dark circle. Yeah, this is what you use. So that's really beautiful. This is how it look like. Yeah. Okay, and next is the lip liner. Okay, so this is the liner. This is how it look like. Yeah, you see, liner. Yeah. So foundation, primer, concealer, and lip liner. All right, and the company is called Makiage. They based in New York City. So thank you, Makiage, for sending me this. I really appreciate it. I look forward to working with you guys. I like it. You know, I can wait to use it. Actually, tonight I'm gonna use this makeup because I'm going out, so I'm gonna try it on, and I will actually let you guys know what it look like, or I can actually show a picture after putting this makeup on you know, so you guys see how it match my skin tone. All right, so next we go to Dossier. So Dossier also sent me a package, so let's take a look at it. First package from Dossier. Yeah. If you guys don't know about Dossier, I advise you to go online and look for them. What they do is they take like expensive name brand perfumes and make their own version of it, and you can tell the difference. It's like if you use any Chanel, any YSL, like Gucci, I mean any name brand, Jean Paul Gaultier, they make their own. Dossier make it, you can tell the difference. So I really recommend to check these people out. Okay, so this is how the perfume comes. It comes like this, and then you'll have a mini tester. They send you the mini tester to test first before you use the big bottle to see if you like it. Okay, so this is the big bottle and this is the tester. Oh my god, this smells so good. Wow, this smells so good. So oh my god, wow. I think I'm hooked now with Dossier. This, you can tell the difference between this and the real name brand fragrance. If you compare them side by side, you can tell the difference. Wow, I'm impressed. I'm definitely impressed with Dossier. I think I'm definitely going to work with them. Okay, let's move on to the second one that they sent. All right. Oh, wow. This is the second bottle that they sent me. This is the second bottle, all from Dossier. So let's see before I spray it on my face. Woo. Guys, this is the fragrance to have. Go to Dossier and order yours today. Thank you so much, Dossier, for sending me these. I really love them. This is unbelievable. I love each one of them. Thank you so much, Dossier. Okay, I like to thank Dossier, and I also like to thank Il Makiage for sending me the foundation, the primer, the eyeliner. I mean, I love it. I can wait to use it today. Dossier, thank you so much for the fragrances. I love it. I love it already. I know I'm already gonna work with you guys. That I know for sure. Thank you so much for sending me these items. Mwah. All right, thank you guys for watching. Thank you for your support. Thank you for everything. And ladies, if you're interested of this hair that I'm wearing today, this here is on my website. It's luxuryhair22.com. Luxuryhair22.com. So head on to my website, and I see you there. Thank you for watching.